Hi everyone, I'm back in the kitchen again today and I'm going to show you how I make a nice easy Chicken Rogan Josh. Today I'll be using a Tongmaster Seasoning mix, and I've got to say for disclosure I paid for that myself. Okay, so for the recipe you'll need 600 grams of diced chicken breast cut into bite-sized chunks, a can of chopped tomatoes, 100 ml of natural yogurt, you can use the low fat variety if you want, a couple of cloves of garlic finely chopped. I'm adding in some mushrooms because we like mushrooms, and a large chopped up onion, and I'm using the Tongmaster's Rogan Josh spice mix. I'll put a link to Tongmaster's spices below in the notes. Obviously a bit of oil for the cooking as well. So here's how I'm going to do it. Got a pan on, put a little bit of oil in the pan, and I'm going to add the onions. Going to fry them for a few minutes and until they go soft and start to caramelise. So their onions have gone nice and soft now. I'm just starting to caramelise. So at this point I'm going to put in my chopped garlic and a couple of tablespoons of tomato puree that I forgot to mention. Get all my garlic out. Can't go short of garlic. And then I'm going to put in the Tongmaster Rogan Josh powder, well, Rogan Josh spice mix. Going to give that a good mix up and let that cook up for a couple of minutes. That's releases all the flavours in the herbs and spices. And now I'm going to put in my 600 grams of chicken and fry that up for 4 to 5 minutes until it's all sealed and browned. Now obviously if you prefer a lamb Rogan Josh, which I'm quite partial to lamb, I'm sure a lot of other people do, then you just replace the chicken with lamb. So I'm going to fry that now for 4 or 5 minutes until it's browned on all sides. You can see there that chicken's all nicely browned. So at this stage now I'm going to whack in the tomatoes and give that a good stir around. And I'm also at this stage going to put in my mushrooms. Okay. Now I've gone a bit off piste with the official Tongmaster recipe here because it is kind of just a guideline. You can play with it as much as you want to. So I'm going to let them let them mushrooms cook down a bit, see how it goes. Might need a little bit more water in there because I don't know how much is going to come out of the mushrooms. So we'll cook that down. That's got to simmer now for around 50 to 60 minutes. Keep an eye on it. Say if you just start getting a bit thick, add a little bit more water. So there you go, the mushrooms have started to go down. That looks okay at the moment. I will keep an eye on it and just check the liquid level in there in case it wants topping up. So I'm going to put the lid on that now and simmer that for about 50 to 60 minutes and then come back and see where we are. There we go folks, that is all cooked up now. At this stage I've just got to add in the 100 ml of yogurt, give it a stir and cook for 10 minutes. But since we're eating this later on, I'm going to save that bit and I'm going to do that when I reheat it. Okay, so I'm now going to add the natural yogurt. Scrape that in. And give that another 10 minutes. Already got the rice on. We should be good to go then. So there you go folks. That is all ready to dish up. So there you go. That's Chicken Rogan Josh made with Tongmaster Seasonings. Hope you enjoy that as much as we're going to. So don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. and we'll see you in the next video. Bye folks.